morning hours caused by a tornado around 11:20 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time this morning. We have confirmed that this is indeed a tornado that caused the damage in the Montebello area. Now, I want to
California,
mention
you
very
guys.
clearly, our hearts go out to everyone who was impacted by the severe weather today. We see that the damage is extensive and that many people were affected by it. And our hearts go out to everyone who has been affected by the weather today. We're going to continue over the next hour to look at the damage and understand more about the structures that were damaged by the storm to come up with a rating, a tornado rating on what's called the Enhanced Fujita Scale. This rating rates the damage and corresponds to a wind speed that is then used in the official database of tornadoes. At any place in particular in California, tornado is very highly unusual. However, if we look over a broader area of Southern California or